Welcome back. So I think in a previous video, I think the one where I was doing the two-strand twist and talking about Bridgerton, I said I was going to talk about my hair oil mixture. So today I'm going to be talking about my hair oil mixture. So usually after a wash day, go watch my wash day essentials video. I wash my hair. I do the lock method, which is liquid, conditioner, and oil. I usually do, I do liquid, oil, and conditioner. That's LOC, not LCO. Some people do the LCO. I do LOC. So I do the liquid first, then I do the oil, then I do then I do a cream, not the conditioner, or cream. I think it's interchangeable. It's a cream or conditioner, probably both. But I do the oil, then I add the cream. So that's what I did too with my hair. Usually I don't have my hair out in these videos, but my hair was looking nice, and I actually am going to wash it after this. But anyway, that's another story. So usually when I first got transitioned, one of the things when I was looking at the YouTube videos and just trying to get acclimated with this new process, this new hair journey, all of the girls had oils. Like either they bought oils, there's a lot of brands that sell oils like in their own like bottles, or they would mix oils. And I'm a girl that sometimes I'm like on a little holistic type of a kick, and if I can make my own oils mixture, I'm gonna do that. So after some tried experiments and things like that, I actually tried, I actually tried having an oil mixture, and I remember going to the hair supply store, buying a bottle, which was like a plastic bottle that had like a squirt coop top, and I remember putting some oils in the bottle, just kind of like it didn't, I guess that type of bottle wasn't meant to carry that type of substance, and oil was spewing everywhere, and I was like, man, this is effed up. Like, how the hell I'm gonna like mix all these oil? What container can I have it in? And then actually I had an old bottle, and I was just like, an old bottle that already had oil. This is actually an old castor oil bottle that I'm just repurposing, and I urge anyone to reduce waste. Please reuse bottles that you have. Reuse them for something else. Like this is an old Diva Curl bottle. I just put water in it, and sometimes when I have to zhuzh up my hair, I just spray it. This is an old Diva Curl bottle. Diva Curl is usually like a green and blue, and I just ripped the label off, and now I use it as like a spray water bottle for my hair. Please, people, reuse. Try to repurpose as much as possible. There's too much waste out here in this world. But anyway, so I have this old container. It actually is really good. The oil doesn't spew out. It locks really well. You know, nothing comes out when you when I turn it over or anything like that. It's really secure. And so what I do, I have like several oils, I'm gonna go through it now, that I just put in here, shake it, and use it during my wash day, or anytime I feel like my scalp is dry, I just use it to replenish. So let's go through the oils that I like to put in this little mixture bottle here. So the first one is jojoba oil. I got this I believe off Amazon. Jojoba oil is good for, they said it's good for moisturizing the scalp, dandruff. It also promotes like hair thickness and prevents hair loss. And also I remember Felicia Leatherwood or Featherwood. I'm sorry, I'm getting her name butchered up. But the Issa Rae hairstylist, I remember she said it's always good to have jojoba oil. So when she said that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it, and I did, and that's what I use for my hair. Boop. The second one is argan oil, which is, I got this actually from Trader Joe's. They said it's good for like hair growth and prevent hair loss. And it's also good for the skin. And again, holistic. If I can get something that's good for my overall skin and my scalp and my hair, I'm gonna do it, okay? Rosemary oil. This is, I got from Whole Foods. Can't really see because my light is bright. But this, got from Whole Foods. It's good for like, they said it's good for like itchy scalp, and also promotes hair growth as well. A lot of time, because my hair is like in a twisted, like in some sort of like protective style. Again, I just get my oil and just dab it and massage it into my scalp, which is You really need that a lot of times, especially if you're, especially someone like me who I wash my hair like every other week, you know? Okay. Then castor oil. Yes, this is Tropical Isle Living, multi-purpose Jamaican black castor oil. This, I've been always hearing this. My family's Jamaican, so I know this is not the actual authentic castor oil, but I can get it. Whatever I can get, it's probably, I don't know, probably 1%. Um, okay, yeah. So it's if you can get the actual authentic castor oil, I would suggest doing that. But this is the closest I'm going to get, so I'm going to take it, and that's what I use. Okay. Cedarwood oil. This is actually from Young Living, essential oils company. They said this is actually has really antifungal and antibacterial properties. Listen, we're still in a panorama. We need to take as anything like, listen, people cough, people sneeze, there's shit going around in the air, anything. And plus, you know, things again in your scalp. You know, this is where everything gets in, penetrated into the hair, into the hair shaft. Okay, cedarwood oil, get your life. Okay, my favorite, peppermint oil. A little bit goes a long way. I probably put, I don't know, like probably 2 to 3 drops in something like this when it's full. And this bottle is not that big, right? It's not that big. It's really small. If you can see like the size of my face. Probably, but I love the smell, number one. Like the tingling sensation, and I just do this. And this actually, when you rub your scalp, it's good for like circulation. My favorite thing. Favorite thing is the topping it off with peppermint. However, as much as I love to mix it, there's also other things that I put in this bottle that's already like pre-made or pre-packaged. So this is Reshma. This is actually a henna infused 5 exotic nutricing 5 exotic nutricing oils here for hair and skin. This is actually really good. It has 5 oils on it. It already has jojoba oil, cedarwood oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, and henna extract. I should get tea tree oil, has a separate oil. But all this stuff that they said in here already got it in here, except for the tea tree oil. I heard tea tree oil is really good for like, for if you have any sort of like bug bites or anything like that. So I may buy that, and I suggest if you guys are into oils, I suggest you guys buy that too. Also this is from Motion's Indulgent Oil Spray. I cannot get my words today. Please forgive me. Charge it to my head, not my heart. Yes, and so this is Indulgent Oil Spray for hair and scalp. Nourish and restore shea butter, argan oil, and coconut oil. So this is like a spray, which is really convenient. I usually spray this after I retwist my hair, and I have like a spray that I retwist my hair, and then I like use this spray and I spray actually on the twist. So when I twist it out, my twist can look like nice and shiny and things like that. And a lot of times I also spray some of it in here, you know, because why not? What does it doesn't help. It doesn't hurt, you know. So that's all of the oils that I use. Let me know which oils you use. If you reuse any of your bottles, repurpose any of your bottles, let me know which bottles you repurpose. I hope you repurpose your bottles so we don't have much waste. On top of that, let me know what oils you use. If you think some of the oils I use are stupid or redundant, you think some of the oils doesn't help, or if you have some oils that you think I should use, let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and I talk to you soon.